morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
We are fine, ma'am. And you, ma'am?
I am also fine. Students, today we will start our math study shape activity related to nature.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Now make groups and start your maths activity. Your time start now. You have 25 minutes for this activity. I hope you have finished your activity.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of your shape?
Mountains, rivers, and home. My shape is mountain.
What you want to show in your shape?
We are trying to the shape.
What you have learned by your activity?
We can collect to the shape people, nature.
Now I am announcing who has won the first position. First position, Lavya, Riya, Vivan and Mayank.